It's the day after Helene. Volkswagen says, yeah. I think I can see water lines. Oh, it smells delicious in here. Delicious. All right, let's continue our tour. Lawnmower. Didn't get that put up. Interesting fact, when we tried to get out in the Land Cruiser before it stalled, we left it, and yes, that's water in the ashtray. So if you look at me, 42 inches. Your shoes are hiding right back up there. All right, the garage. We tried to put stuff up. Yeah. Yeah, this is the good part too. This is the least of the problems. See the water line on the screen here, I think. Yeah, see that right there? See the water line on the screen? So for reference, water line on the windows just missed getting in here, but as you can see, we had a solid 4 feet of water in here. Solid 4 feet. There's the debris line on the screen. Here's the water mark on the door. For reference, there is the lock. All right, and welcome to utter destruction. Yeah, everything we tried to put up, looks like the bed tried to float away. All the drawers floated out of that. Trying to find some water levels in here. Looks like we got I don't know. Yeah, that's not the color of the tile, by the way. This is, yeah, if you look at this floor, everything's now covered in a gassy, oily silt. Floated drawers right out. Everything in this drawer is soaked. There's still water right here. So yeah, it was up to at least this dresser here. Comic book collection, gonna say it's gone. In here, hanging closet. Yeah, these are wet. Those are wet, so for reference, there you go. Yeah, and you can see there's still water in here. Bathroom. Yeah, it didn't fare so well. Yeah, really, it's all pretty much gone. Here's what happened in the living room. Yeah, we had everything stacked up pretty nice and neat. Kind of like this. This didn't float away, but you can tell it's wet. We think, if you look at the water line here on the sliding glass doors, see if I can get you a shot of it. Yeah, right here. Water line, so let me pan this way. Yes, that TV on the wall definitely got wet. So everything in here is a complete loss. It floated. What it could float, it floated. That's funny because this was on these two chairs over there. So miraculously, this must have floated and just wedged itself. Hopefully Mom's precious moments will clean up. Moving on to the kitchen. Yeah. So you can see the water line here in the kitchen is like right there's like a distinguishable note, and then there's the switches. This refrigerator was completely tipped over like this. Yeah, it's all lost. So you know how high the water get when you still have water in your pans on the top of the range. For reference, this is my coffee maker. This is not coffee. That is how high the water got in the kitchen. So kitchen cabinet, stove, coffee maker, and glass. So it was definitely up to these outlets here. The washing machine, I don't know, it floated away. So did the dryer, it floated. It's utter destruction. There's nothing below 42 inches. Oh, well, that camera's gone now. Oh, this label maker must have had a fit when it died because it spit out a bunch of labels. So everything is gone. Yeah, there's water came in this sink, so it was over this countertop. For reference, there's a clear water line right here on this window. A lot of this stuff was over on the other countertop. It's completely gone. So, let me take you outside. Yep, this is all nasty, slicker than snot. You will slip. Okay, so there's the water line. There's the window. We'll walk around this side. So we didn't have much of a water line here until you get to there. So you can see that window a foot underwater, which would make that one a foot underwater, which would make the two living rooms, oh, a good foot and a half, maybe 2 feet underwater. So 3 cars, the contents of the house. The grace of God, me and Mom got out. Jerry's here. We got stuck trying to get out. Luckily the neighbor was home. Had to carry Mom through chest high water to get out. Oh, some more interesting tidbits here. Show you the neighbor's boat. Yeah, this is all, see, this is all dry silt. So there's the neighbor's boat. Might as well take you around to this side real quick. Oh, there's a good water line right there. Water line on the boards. All right, that's it for now.